Is an outdoor fridge a must for your RV? This Brinkley Model Z 2680 has a large outdoor fridge. When you walk inside, you will find a spacious living area with the kitchen in the back. The table is tucked away until you need it, and it can be positioned into 3 different ways to adapt to your needs. In the kitchen, you will find a nice sized pantry with drawers and a desk for those that need to do a little work. Heading on up to the front of the RV, you will find plenty of storage in the bedroom with the nightstands and drawers under the bed. Moving on into the bathroom, you'll find a nice sized shower and pass-through storage into the bedroom. Also, I am loving the towel hooks. What do you think?